Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Hey, David. Good morning. You look a little sleepy.
Yeah, Ava. I almost missed breakfast. My alarm didn't ring today.
Oh, no, David. That's the worst. So, what did you do?
I just ran here. No shower, no coffee, only food first.
Classic student morning. But, David, mornings are a great thing to practice in English.
Really, Ava? What do you mean?
Think about it, David. Every student, every teacher, every friend, people always ask about mornings in small talk.
True, Ava. Like, how was your morning? Or, what did you do yesterday morning? People ask that all the time.
Exactly, David. And many students stop right here. They only say, I woke up.
Yes, Ava. They just freeze. Like, I woke up. And then what?
Don't worry, David. Today, we'll show two ways. A simple morning routine and then a little bigger one.
Perfect, Ava. So students can start easy, then add more step by step. So, Ava, how was your morning?
Yesterday morning, I woke up at 7 o'clock. I felt sleepy, very sleepy.
Yeah, mornings are hard. You didn't want to get up, right?
Exactly. I wanted to stay in bed, but I told myself, come on, Ava, get up now.
So you woke up at 7, you felt sleepy, but you got out of bed.
Yes, first I got out of bed. Then I went to the bathroom.
Okay, so 3 steps already. Woke up, got out of bed, went to the bathroom.
Right. And in the bathroom, I brushed my teeth.
You brushed your teeth.
Yes. And I washed my face.
You brushed your teeth and washed your face.
Exactly. Then I took a shower.
Oh, so you brushed your teeth, washed your face, and took a shower.
Yes. These three always help me wake up more.
I know that feeling. Teeth clean, face fresh, body showered, you feel alive again.
So in the bathroom, I did 3 things. I brushed my teeth, I washed my face, and I took a shower.
Got it. And together with I woke up and I got out of bed, that's 5 useful actions already.
Perfect. That's the start of my morning.
After the bathroom, you must have felt fresh. What did you do next?
Yes, I felt fresh and awake. Then I went to the kitchen.
The kitchen. Okay, breakfast time.
Exactly. Yesterday, I made some toast. I made toast and boiled an egg.
Toast and an egg. Simple, but good. So you can say, I made toast, I boiled an egg.
Yes, and I also had a cup of coffee, black coffee. No milk, no sugar.
Ah, black coffee. That's strong.
Yes, very strong, but it helps me wake up.
So you can say, I had black coffee, or I drank black coffee.
Exactly. And if you like milk, you can say, I had a latte. A latte is coffee with milk.
Got it. Black coffee, latte. Two different styles.
Right. So for breakfast, 3 useful actions. I made toast, I boiled an egg, and I had black coffee.
That's a real student breakfast. Quick, but filling.
Mm-hmm. Filling means it makes you feel full.
Nice. Made toast, boiled an egg, had black coffee. Simple, but filling.
After breakfast, I went back to my room. It was time to choose my clothes.
Oh, the hardest part of the morning. Did you stand in front of the closet for 20 minutes?
Not 20 minutes, but almost. I opened the closet and just looked. Should I wear the blue t-shirt or the white one?
Ah, the big question. Blue or white?
Exactly. And then I thought, which one matches better?
So you were thinking about colors and matching.
Yes, the blue shirt looked soft. The white one looked fresh. I touched the fabric. It means the material of the shirt. One felt light, the other felt thicker.
Wow, you really checked everything.
Of course. Finally, I chose this khaki knit top, the one I'm wearing now, and dark brown pants.
Nice choice. So you chose your clothes. You got dressed.
Exactly. I put on my knit top. I put on my pants. Simple and comfortable.
Put on. So you say put on a top, put on pants.
Yes, that's right. And when we say get dressed, it means put on all your clothes.
Got it. So yesterday you chose your clothes, you got dressed, and you put on your outfit.
Perfect summary. And you know what? Sometimes I change my mind. I put on one thing, then I put on another.
Classic. So the key words here: choose my clothes, get dressed, put on my top, put on pants.
Exactly. In the morning, we always need these phrases. After I got dressed, I looked for my phone. You know me, David. I always check my phone in the morning.
Of course, Ava. Everyone checks their phone. Did you get any messages?
Yes, I checked my phone. I read 2 messages from my friend, and I looked at the time.
So you checked your phone, read messages, and looked at the time.
Exactly. And then I put my phone in my bag.
Ah, good idea. You don't want to forget it.
Right. After that, I packed my bag. I put my notebook, my laptop, and a pen inside.
So 3 actions: put in your notebook, put in your laptop, put in your pen.
Yes, I packed my bag carefully.
Packed. That means you put things inside your bag one by one.
Exactly. Packed my bag. That's the phrase.
So yesterday, you packed your bag with your school things.
That's right. And before I left my room, I made my bed.
You made your bed. That's very good.
Yes, made my bed means I pulled the blanket, I fixed the pillows, and I made it look nice.
Nice. So 3 more. Pulled the blanket, fixed the pillows, made the bed.
Exactly. My mom always says, Ava, make your bed.
Classic mom.
So, in this part, I checked my phone, packed my bag, and made my bed.
Perfect. 3 useful actions for every morning.
Yes, David. Together with waking up, brushing, breakfast, and clothes, now the routine is getting bigger.
Bigger step by step. That's great.
So, yesterday I told you my morning in the past. I woke up, I brushed my teeth, I had coffee.
Right. That was past tense. Now I'll talk about my normal mornings in present tense.
Perfect. Yesterday was past, today is present. Let's hear it.
I usually wake up at 6:30. My alarm rings, and then I get up.
6:30, that's early. I said I woke up at 7 yesterday. You are the early one.
Yes, every day I wake up at 6:30, my alarm rings, and I get up. Sometimes I press snooze.
Press snooze? What does that mean?
On the alarm clock or the phone, there's a button. You press it, and the alarm stops for 5 minutes. Then it rings again.
Ah, I see. So press snooze means stop the alarm for a short time.
Exactly. Sometimes I press snooze once, sometimes twice. But finally, I get up.
So your morning is wake up, alarm rings, press snooze, then get up.
That's right. That's my real start every day.
Okay, David. So you wake up and get out of bed. What happens next?
After I get up, I go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I shave.
Shave? What's that?
Shave means I use a razor to cut my beard.
Ah, shave. So every day you shave your face.
Yes, I shave my face in the morning. I don't shave at night, only in the morning.
Okay, so no beard in the morning.
After that, I comb my hair.
Comb your hair?
Yes, I take my comb and I comb my hair until it looks okay.
So you don't brush your hair, you comb it.
Exactly. Brush is bigger, comb is smaller.
Got it. So every morning you comb your hair.
Yes, I comb it once, sometimes twice.
So you comb it once, sometimes twice, if your hair looks crazy.
After shaving and combing, I use mouthwash.
Mouthwash?
Yes, it's water with mint. I put it in my mouth, move it around, and then spit it out.
So it makes your mouth fresh.
Exactly. First, I brush my teeth. Then, I use mouthwash.
So brush plus mouthwash. Very fresh.
Yes, very fresh. Maybe too fresh.
So, David, after the bathroom, what's next in your morning?
I go to the kitchen. It's breakfast time. I usually pour cereal into a bowl.
Pour? What's that?
Pour means to let something fall from a box or bottle. Like, I pour cereal into a bowl.
Ah, I see. You pour cereal into a bowl.
Yes, and then I pour milk into the bowl. Sometimes I don't eat cereal. I eat yogurt.
Yogurt?
Yes, yogurt is soft and cold. I open the cup and eat it with a spoon.
Oh, I see. You eat yogurt with a spoon.
Exactly. Yogurt is soft, so you need a spoon. If I have more time, I make a fruit drink.
A fruit drink? How?
I cut a banana, I cut some strawberries, I put them in a machine that mixes. It's called a blender.
Blender?
Yes, blender is a kitchen machine. You put fruit inside, press a button, and it mixes everything. And the fruit drink we make this way is called a smoothie.
Oh, so fruit drink is a smoothie. Nice.
Exactly. I make a smoothie with fruit and a blender. I make a smoothie when I have more time. After breakfast, I usually check the news.
The news? Every morning?
Yes, I'm a bit of a news junkie. That means I really like news.
A news junkie. So you always read or watch the news.
Exactly. I read headlines on my phone. Sometimes I watch TV news.
Okay. So you check the news while eating breakfast.
Yes. And after the news, I like to do a little exercise.
Exercise? What do you do?
First, I stretch. Stretch means move my arms and legs long.
Ah, stretch your arms, stretch your legs.
Yes. After stretching, I take a short walk around the block.
Around the block? You mean a small circle near your house?
Exactly. I walk around the block and breathe fresh air, clean air, outside.
That sounds great. News and then fresh air.
Yes, the news wakes my brain, the walk wakes my body.
I feel jealous. I don't have exercise in my morning routine.
You can add it tomorrow, Ava. Just a little stretching.
Maybe I will.
So, David, we showed 2 mornings today. I used the past tense. I woke up. I brushed my teeth. I made toast.
And I used the present tense. I wake up, my alarm rings, I press snooze, I shave, I comb my hair, I pour cereal, I check the news.
Exactly. Yesterday for me, today for you.
Let's make a big list. Wake up, alarm rings, press snooze, get up, brush teeth, wash face, take a shower, shave, comb my hair, use mouthwash.
Then, make toast, boil an egg, have coffee, pour cereal, pour milk, eat yogurt with a spoon, make a smoothie.
After that, choose clothes, put on clothes, check my phone, pack my bag, make my bed.
And finally, check the news. You even said you're a bit of a news junkie, right?
Yes, that's me. And sometimes I stretch or walk around the block.
Great. Now we can say much more than just, I woke up.
Right. We can tell a full routine step by step.
So, what about you? What's in your morning routine?
Tell us in the comments. Do you press snooze, put on clothes, or maybe check the news like a news junkie?
We can't wait to read your answers. See you next time.